Hi everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. Today's lunch. I'll put my ring back on. My grandmother's ring, mother's ring slash grandmother's ring. It's got me, Anastsia, my son, and my daughter-in-law's birthstone on it. And hold on for a second. I have to turn this thing around. And it's in the shape of a cross. They got this for me Mother's Day 2014. So yes, I've had it for a while. And yes, it's one of my cherished possessions. The stones may not be real, but it's the thought that's and the love behind it. So, and they know I love hearts. So today's lunch is pizza. It's cold. It's been flurrying, snowing here and there. Nothing like our friends like the Red Shed has. Hi, Holly. Oh, we wanted more snow. But, I know. And I know Ellen, up there, Ellen Abundance Life on Less, they probably got snow too. And people over there towards, what's his name? I cannot remember his name right now, but I'll put a link down below when I remember who it is. I see his face, and I can't think of the channel. But anyway, I'll link all those channels down below. You gotta make a note of that. So, back to lunch. It's pizza. And I'm gonna turn this around, and I'm not gonna cut myself off this time. There we go. And voila. We have a cheese and pepperoni, which was with Colby Jack cheese. And I have a veggie pizza. It is kale, cauliflower, and leeks. So no, I did not saute anything today. I didn't cook any of the vegetables first. I wanted to see what would happen if I just cooked it all, made it all together. So, but we're going to see. It's just fresh out of the oven. It's nice and hot. And this is our lunch for the day. Ooh, somebody heard. There she is. How you doing, baby girl?
I'm doing great.
You doing great?
Eating cucumbers upstairs.
Oh, she's eating cucumbers upstairs. I'm telling you, this girl loves her vegetables.
My favorite are Brussels sprouts.
Her favorite is Brussels sprouts.
Yes.
Mmm.
I wouldn't weird for a kid to like Brussels sprouts.
And she likes them steamed. And they're good that way too. Oh, my eyes. She's showing y'all her earrings. Oh, don't move. You let me move the camera. So there you go. They glow in the dark.
And it's to match this.
And to match her necklace. So that's what she got the other day. That's pizza.
We went to Claire's at the mall.
Went to Claire's at the mall.
I got 3 more choker necklaces and more earrings, but they're upstairs in my jewelry box. I have a lot of jewelry. Believe me. I'm going to show Grandma all the jewelry I have someday. One day I'm going to show Grandma all the jewelry I have.
You are.
I have a lot of makeup too.
If y'all need a laugh, here you go, because she is the best.
You know what would be funnier?
What's that?
If we were filming a video and we had a cat jump up on the table and knock everything over.
Oh my goodness. Well,
that would be funny.
No animals yet. We don't have a house. So as soon as we, do have a house, they have promised her a cat. And we get a dog.
My dad is a dog person. Me and Mom are cat persons. My mom wants a cat named Smokey. And there's a Mario villain. Bowser gets a hold of a cat bell and puts it on his collar, and he turns into a cat called Meowser. It's like half cat, half Bowser.
Oh my.
And his name is Meowser, and that's what I'm going to name my cat. And my dad wants a husky, and he's going to name it Bandit. And I want a husky too. To go wah, 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 wah.
There you have it. So if you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time. And don't forget to leave a comment on our treasure home.
And we'll give you this button. And we'll give you this button.